We are gathered here to celebrate the Chinese New Year, which falls on mid of February, and to renew our cherished friendship. In Chinese lunar calendar, the coming year of 2026 is the year of horse. In our traditional culture, the horse symbolizes freedom, passion, and boundless vitality. The year of the horse signifies flourishing energy, an indomitable spirit, high moral, and of course, brilliant success. So as we are in this auspicious year, I wish you all a year of taking the lead and achieving immediate success in all your endeavors. Over the past year, we are heartened to see that the eye-client friendship between China and Pakistan has become even more refined and resilient, reaching new heights. Practical cooperation has made steady progress. These achievements are a testament to the strategic guidance of our leaders, the concerted efforts of our two peoples, and the consistent attention and support from our friends from the media. Your extensive reporting of China-Pakistan friendship stories have built a spirit of mutual understanding and affinity between our two peoples. You serve as a mirror, reflecting the robust development of our bilateral relations. Through your lenses, we have witnessed how high-level exchanges continue to consolidate our strategic mutual trust, how mutual support safeguards our respective core interests, how practical cooperation drive our common development, and how close interaction depends on eye-client friendship between our two countries. Furthermore, you have been active communicator of Chinese modernization, enthusiastically introducing China's achievement in new infrastructure, AI, semiconductors, and agriculture to Pakistani people. By speaking highly of these achievements, you have played a vital role in enhancing mutual recognition and exploring new avenues for practical cooperation in all these fields. You have actively participated in visits to China and acting as our voice for bilateral friendship. You have contributed to the vital chapter of our people-to-people and cultural exchanges. We have always believed that amity between the people holds the key to sound state-to-state relations, and that seeing is believing. Guided by these philosophies, we have organized visits to China for media representatives from our consulate district, both Sind province and Balochistan province, for consecutive years, striving to create more opportunities for media friends to experience China firsthand. During these trips, you have visited government departments, agencies, universities, think tanks, and enterprises, and even venturing deep into the fields and villages. You have witnessed the vibrant vitality of China's development, experienced the profound heritage of Chinese culture, and felt the sincerity of the Chinese people's friendship towards Pakistani people. We are deeply heartened to see that this experience have strengthened your resolve to be practitioner and promoter of China-Pakistan friendship. Your efforts has made significant contribution to our mutually beneficial cooperation and the mutual affinity between our two peoples. Difference, the year of 2025 was a concluding year of China's 14th five-year plan, and it was an extraordinary journey for China's economic development. Despite daunting challenges, including the global economic slowdown, the surge of unilateralism and protectionism, and severe disruptions to the international economic and trade order, China's economy achieved a steady progress under the strong leadership of the